Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got President Lincoln 2 Plus, brand new out of the box for Joe. Joe ordered this radio and wanted to set it up for him. So we're going to start out here on the receive and move around here pretty quick because I was under the weather there for several days and I'm running considerably behind schedule. So I got a lot going on and got to keep on moving. So we'll go ahead and take this down. Let's go ahead and turn off the automatic squelch. It's about negative 120, so hear it in there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move to the TX side. Alright, so the receive side is looking good. I'm going to click on our deal and put this in transmit mode. Let me turn that off or down. Alright, so we're looking good here on the spectrum analyzer, 50 kilohertz. That's from an 8-watt carrier. And got the scope, well, I've got it sped up because I was on sideband, which we're going to show sideband here in just a second, so we're just going to leave that alone. 100, let's see, no, not 100. Let's go 50 megahertz, 50 megahertz, 50 megahertz. 50 megahertz. Alright, so there we're at 50 megahertz. 125. Y'all know how these go. Looking good. Take it up to 300. Just good, clean radios, man. Good, clean radios. Awesome radios. Working great. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. So, in my opinion, it's the best compact mobile going right now if you're wanting full-featured compact mobile. Sideband, the whole 9 yards, and all that. So I'm going to quit rambling because, like I said, we've got to keep on moving here. We're going to get a mic hooked up and we'll listen to it, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back with the President Lincoln 2 Plus, and real quick, since we're going to be in AM first here, we'll go ahead and hit the echo button. We're going to set the echo, so we're going to press and hold the echo button. And from the factory setting, that's way too high, so we're going to take that down to about 10. Then we're going to hit the store button. We're going to store that, and we're going to take the time, and we're going to take the time down to about 5. I like a little reverb more than I like echo. That's how you set the echo. So it's set. Hello. So we'll turn up the 29. It's oh, dropping my microphone. That's good for it. Hello, 1 2 3 4. Audio check. Alright, so we'll just listen to it here. Hello radio, 1 2 3 4. Audio check 1 2. President Lincoln 2 Plus, sounding good and working good too. Hello, check check. I don't know how. I'll turn the volume up a little more. Hello radio, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio check. Okay, so real quick, we're going to show. See RF power all the way up, and 8 watts all the way up, 8 watts all the way up, and that's all the way down. We got 1 watt, so that's what we're doing there. Joe's going to be using this actually for FM. So all the way down on the FM is 2 watts. All the way up is 30. So that's where that's at. So there you go, Joe. There's your Lincoln 2 Plus. We appreciate your business. We're going to get this thing in the box and get it headed your direction. Like I say, guys, I was under the weather there for a few days. Man, I'm running behind, and things are actually getting shipped before the videos are up. I've got several videos to upload. I just haven't had time to do it. So we're working on that, and so y'all see several videos coming up. Got several amplifiers. I've got coming just as quick as we can. We'll have videos up for those too. So y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. We got to get out of here. We'll catch you next time. I got to get busy. I'll see you. Bye. Bum bum.